When a business team in an organization asks their IT technology team whether they should go out and look at purchasing something or build it themselves, inevitably the IT tech team says, we can build that. And that's because there's power in controlling that outcome. But the reality is businesses have to make this decision. And most of our customers are not in the business of technology. They're in the business of providing field service or delivering products, which means all of their capabilities should be going to enhancing that experience and focusing on what they're best at. And with the labor shortages we have in field service alone, not to mention hiring great IT talent, the build decision has to be, taken as skeptic as you're analyzing it. So what makes building a system not the right decision for your business? One is you really now own it. Now there's advantages to owning something, but the reality is that technology landscape is changing every day. Each year, Apple and Google put out new privacy and security requirements, which means software companies like Glympse have to adapt their products to those. We get to adapt once for all of our customers, where if you're building it yourself, you're doing all the work we're doing only for yourself. So that incremental cost for us, we pass on with no cost increases to our customers, where you have to absorb it completely. There's also the fact that you have to hire great talent. Working at a tech company is significantly different than working in the IT department of a field service company. And so you're got to admit you're going to get a different group of people who are going to apply. And it's going to be just as hard to hire engineers as it is for me and my company. So you want to take that into account because you really are going to own it. At the end of the day, we believe that given labor shortages in both tech and other areas of the economy, that businesses need to focus on what they're best at and look to providers like Glympse to bring them world-class solutions at high scale and high security that meet their needs so that they can get to market faster and have an industry-leading end solution.